Cinnamon and ginger, a delightful spice stew, offer 5 distinct advantages. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Help control blood glucose levels. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. 3. Digestive comfort. Relieve indigestion and nausea. 4. Immune boost. Enhance immunity with their antioxidants. 5. Flavorful combination. Add rich, warm flavors to your dishes. Pairing cinnamon with ginger not only elevates your culinary experiences, but also supports your overall health. Ingredients: cinnamon, ginger. Drink 1 glass before bed. But do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.